babies.
Hi.
Ba, 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 ba. Say mama, 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 mama. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back from Miami. People started to ask me if we moved there because we were there for so long, but we just took the baby for a couple weeks to spend time with G's family. We had the best time. It was also my birthday this past week, so if you follow me on Instagram, you saw that the family and I did a little birthday shopping. It's the best time of the year, you guys. The Nordstrom Anniversary Sale. No sale tops this sale. I found all of my favorite luxury products. They were having a huge Glam Out Days event, so I went and stocked up and literally completely revamped my makeup bag. I got everything from a new eye palette, a new cheek palette, mascara, lip, the works. I've just done my makeup using all of my new finds, so I'm gonna break it down, show you what I got. I promised you guys a tutorial, so let's get started. So first up, I really wanted to find a great new everyday eye palette, something that's super easy. I don't have to think too much about it. A mix of great nudes and blush tones, because that's what I wear on a daily basis, and I found it. MAC created this palette especially for the Nordstrom sale. It is like my dream palette because it literally is the perfect mix of neutral and blush tones. Comes with a little highlighter too, and then a dark brown color too that you can use for eyeliner and to smudge the bottom of your eyes too. And the coolest thing is that this came with an eyeliner and a mascara too, so you have like a full eye set right here. Such a good deal. I'm gonna get started and show you guys kind of like just an everyday little eye look I would do with this palette, and it's called the Naughty Girl palette. How cute is that? Okay. So I'm going to start off with this lightest shade here, this almost white shade, and I'm going to put that just on my lower crease, right above my lash line, and then I'm also going to pop that right underneath my eyebrow. I love that because it just creates a little bit of lift for your brows. Then I'm going to go in with this super pretty blush shade here, and I'm going to use that right in the crease of my eye. The great thing about these colors too is that you can use kind of as little or as much as you want. They're really nice and buildable, so you can have a really nice look for day and you can build them up and make them smokier at night. Now I'm going to go in with this darker blush shade, and I'm going to use that just on the outer corners of my eyes to kind of expand them out. Next, I'm going to go in with this champagne color right here, and this one has a little bit of shimmer to it. So I'm going to add this just to the very center of my lid, just right below the crease. Last, I'm going to take my angled brush and I'm going to go in with this dark chocolatey brown color here, and I'm going to use that for my lower lash liner. For the top, I'm going to go in with a liquid liner, but for the bottom, I'm going to use this shadow. Coming along. Now I'm actually going to go in with the eye pencil that the palette came with, and I'm going to do this both on the top and I'm going to tight line on the bottom. I love this pencil because it just glides on really easily. It's so pigmented. Doesn't irritate my eyes. My eyes are really sensitive, so sometimes when I tight line they water a lot, but this pencil doesn't irritate me at all. I love it. So I've also been on the hunt for a really, really good liquid eyeliner. I've tried so many. I definitely prefer liquid eyeliner pens because I just feel like they're so much easier to use. The Stila eyeliner pen that we all hear so much about was actually part of the sale, and so cool, it also came with a liquid all-day lipstick as part of this gift set. I haven't tried the lip yet, but it looks so pretty, and the liner is just like nothing can beat it. So I've already done a pencil eyeliner on the top, but just for a little extra drama, I'm gonna go over it with the liquid. That's another good trick too. If you're not really great with liquid liner, which I'm honestly not after all these years, I'm still not great at liquid liner, it's easier to put a pencil on first and then just trace over with the liquid liner. Really nice and sharp lines. It's really, really bold, this pen. So it's especially great for nighttime, for like a great cat eye look. This pen is amazing. I love this pen. I love how bold it is. It looks really nice with this really neutral shadow I've done. So, such a good find. Okay, moving on to mascara. This deal was unreal. For 60 bucks, you get the classic Lancome Definitions mascara, a primer, the Monsieur Big mascara, the Monsieur Big waterproof mascara, and an eye makeup remover. Such a good deal. Everybody needs this. These are the best mascaras. I've been using Definitions since I was a teenager, but today I want to try the Monsieur Big for a really big lash look. I'm gonna start off with the primer. This is a really nice primer. I like the size of the wand. Just want to put this on before your mascara to really, really maximize each and every lash. This really makes you look like you're wearing false lashes without all that glue and strip, and it's great. Okay, so let's try the big stuff. This is the Monsieur Big Lancome mascara. Okay, I'm hooked, you guys. Look how big and bold it made my lashes look. So good. I love it. Okay, found the most complete, best cheek palette ever. The Charlotte Tilbury Glowing Skin Palette. This was on sale for only $75. It's a $153 value. This is perfect for a quick everyday routine. Look how good. Highlight, contour, blush, more highlight, everything you need. So I'm gonna go in first with the darker contour color and put that right in that hollow of my cheek. This is just such a great palette for when you're just on the go and you don't want to carry around a bunch of products. Everything's kind of just all in one here. I love it. Okay, now I'm gonna go in and highlight my upper cheekbones, bridge of my nose, chin, and forehead right here. Now I'm going to get into my cheek color. I actually think it'll be really pretty to mix a little bit of each. And I love these shades. They're like the perfect peachy pink colors. They're really nicely pigmented too, so you don't need too much. Really pretty for every day. Okay, last I'm going to go in with this more golden colored highlight here, and I'm going to hit just above the cheekbone. It's a really nice subtle highlight for every day. Okay, I'm going to finish off my look with a really pretty rosy lip. This may have been my favorite find at the sale. It's the perfect Charlotte Tilbury lip set. It comes with a nude lip liner and 2 lipsticks, one that's really perfect for day and one that's great for going out at night. I was really looking for something that I can wear every day, but that was a little more pigmented than, you know, my normal nude. So I fell in love with this shade. Ugh, how pretty is that? It's called Blushing Dream. And, well, I'm gonna start off with liner. This is the perfect lip liner I think everybody of every skin tone needs. It's called Pillow Talk. So pretty. Okay, now the lipstick. Oh, I love, love, love this color. This to me is the perfect pinky peachy shade. It's not a nude, but you can still wear it during the daytime every day. I think it's beautiful. It has like the perfect amount of sheen to it too. It's not too matte. I love this. And then the other shade that comes in the gift set is Pose Kiss. So pretty too. This one is matte. It's a bit darker and more dramatic. I love this shade too, but I think Blushing Dream for daytime is perfect. Here's the finished look. I love my new products. I am so happy with my purchases. Do not miss the sale, you guys. Glam Matte Days is still going on at Nordstrom. Do not miss this sale. It's so good. Oh, I almost forgot. I also picked up a bottle of my favorite perfume, Flower Bomb, and look at this. They were having an engraving event, so my initials are actually on the bottle. How cute is that? So cute. Ask me any questions you may have in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.